I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're dealing with a transfer pending on PayPal, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your transfer status. Log into your PayPal account and navigate to the activity section. Look for the pending transfer to see if there are any specific reasons listed for the delay. Step 2. Confirm your bank account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the shr.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Review your payment method. Ensure that the payment method you selected for the transfer is valid and has sufficient funds. Sometimes an expired card can cause delays. Step 4. Wait for processing time. Transfers can take a few hours to a few days depending on the method used. If it's a weekend or holiday, it may take longer than usual. Step 5. Contact PayPal support. If the transfer is still pending after a reasonable time, reach out to PayPal customer support for assistance. They can provide specific details about your transfer. Sometimes, a simple oversight like an unverified bank account can cause these delays. Don't hesitate to check all your settings. I hope this helps you resolve your pending transfer quickly.